Have you been searching for the perfect home for the next stage of your life? Welcome home to the Cottages at Auburn Meadows. Hi, I'm Chelsea. I'm excited to introduce you to the community that has it all. Affordability, low taxes, first floor living, and a low maintenance lifestyle in Farmington. Come on in. At the Cottages at Auburn Meadows, you'll have the comfort and ease of building with Ryan Homes. We'll be with you every step of the way, and your new home will have everything you need from the day you move in, even stainless steel appliances. The homes are just the right size with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2-car garages. They're designed for easy living for active adults, with wider doors and hallways, walk-in showers with seats, and more. And the best part is, you won't need to worry about yard work or snow removal because it will all be taken care of for you. At the Cottages at Auburn Meadows, neighbors will become lifelong friends while walking on the community trails, visiting local wineries, and trying your luck at the Finger Lakes Casino. You'll be less than 5 minutes from Route 96, 490, and 332. Plus, easy access to the New York State Thruway gets you to downtown Rochester in minutes. I can't wait to show you this amazing community in person. Make an appointment to come and see me today.